Here I have WIKO Tommy, and let me show you how to insert micro SIM and micro SD card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to remove the back cover and the back panel. So let's do it by using the cavity at the down left edge of the phone right here. Let's use a nail finger to open the whole item. Let's do it step by step, and here you can insert micro SIM card. So let me do it. This is my micro SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let me put this card in that position and press it to the end. Now let's insert micro SD. In order to do it, let's remove the battery by using the cover and at the down edge of the phone, and then let's insert micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's simply put this card in that position and press it to the end. Now let's insert the back cover and the battery. Let me switch on the device. WIKO Tommy is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent. Let's now unlock the screen and let me check if both cards are working properly. Let's find and select the settings icon. At first, let me switch my language because the device turns into the language from SIM card. So let me just simply change into English again. Excellent. And as I said, let me open the list of settings. This is the list of settings. Let's scroll down. Scroll down, and under device let's choose storage and USB. As you can see, the device here is reading our SD card. You may also observe right here that the device is connected to a mobile network, so it means that our SIM card is also working properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.